Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send voice messages on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app and tap on the conversation where you want to send your voice message. This could be an individual chat or a group conversation depending on who you want to communicate with. Voice messages are a great alternative to typing, especially when you need to convey tone or emotion, or when you're multitasking and can't type out a long message. Once you're inside the conversation, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a microphone icon positioned there among the other messaging tools. This microphone icon is specifically designed for recording and sending voice messages quickly and efficiently. Now, to start recording your voice message, press and hold down on this microphone icon. It's important that you keep holding it throughout your recording, as releasing it will automatically send the message. While you're holding the microphone icon, start speaking clearly into your device's microphone. Say whatever you need to communicate, whether it's a quick update, a detailed explanation, or just a friendly greeting. The beauty of voice messages is that they allow you to express yourself more naturally than text, and the recipient can hear your actual voice with all its nuances and emotions. You can record messages of varying lengths, so don't rush, just speak at your natural pace and make sure you're covering everything you want to say. When you've finished saying everything you need to communicate, simply release your hold on the microphone icon. The moment you lift your finger, Viber will automatically send your voice message to the conversation. There's no additional send button to tap or confirmation needed. The message goes out instantly and the other person will be able to listen to it right away. They'll see it appear in the chat with a play button and they can listen to your message whenever they're ready. And that's it. You've successfully sent a voice message on Viber, allowing you to communicate quickly and personally without having to type. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.